I woke up this morning feeling quite stuck. As if suddenly there was no air to breathe, no space to roam. It's in our bones. Everything we have, everything we ever will have, comes from this.
I found this here the other day. Must belong to a king. Some sort of crown. What do I do with it?
Perhaps you should hold on to it. Perhaps it found you.
Thought maybe it was all in my head.
Perhaps it didn't belong to a king after all.